Namaskaram students. Here I show you two water bottle. One water bottle containing water, hot water, it is closed, and another water bottle also it containing hot water but it is open. Now you tell me what happened after some time. After some time both the water bottle somewhat cool. Why it is cooled? Because it exchanged the energy with the surroundings. What is surroundings here? Surroundings means it consists of all the one. Now you tell me what is the water containing water bottle? The water containing water bottle, now we can call this one is a system. So this one is a system, means the surroundings what we are having, that is called as surroundings, and system plus surroundings, they are called as universe. Now the heat energy transfer from the system to surroundings so that it get into cool. When compared to this one, which one is get very fastly cool? The open system. Which one is open? That is very fastly it cool. But this one is closed so that the heat energy exchange is somewhat slow. Now we are going to learn the heat energy transformation is called as thermodynamics. Today's lesson is thermodynamics. Okay, thermo means heat, dynamics means flowing. So heat flowing is called as thermodynamics, and another definition is given as study of transformation of energy is called as thermodynamics. In your book it is given as this is a study of transformation of energy is called as thermodynamics. Now only I told that universe. What is universe means? It contains system and surroundings. Both the system, it is separated from the surroundings by boundary. In water bottle the cover is called as boundary. So the system, how it is the system separated from the surroundings is boundary. In this lesson we are going to see the system types, their properties, and one more thing, thermodynamic process. There are so many thermodynamic process. Here we are going to see the thermodynamic process. Rest of the lesson in PPT.
In thermodynamics, thermo means heat, dynamics means flow. So flow of heat is called as thermodynamics, we already told. And in burning of fuel it produces heat energy, and flow of electron in circuit produce electrical energy. In metabolic reaction, chemical energy is produced to perform some biological functions. So in our world there are so many energies, that energy is changed into one form into another form. So thermodynamics means it is a study of transformation of energy. It is steam engine. This engine moves with the help of steam. To increase its speed, the scientists are tried to underline the principle of steam engine. That is, it improve their efficiency. What is improve their efficiency means? To increase their speed of that steam engine. The basic problem here is how the steam engine is working. With the help of steam means that steam having some heat, that heat energy is converted into mechanical work. Mechanical work means moving of that steam engine. So they develop some laws. That laws are called as thermodynamics laws. Then these laws are developed and helped to understand the process of steam engine. And also these laws of thermodynamics gives the powerful mathematical relationship between that heat and then work. The thermodynamic principles, it deals with the heat and work and their interrelationship. The heat and work are called as macroscopic properties because it related to the large system. Large system means macroscopic, and small system means it is called as microscopic property. But the heat and work here are called as macroscopic properties, and the properties are dealt with the equilibrium. Equilibrium means they occurred in the equal speed, and also reversible process also applied. That is called as equilibrium. And these properties are independent of any theories and then properties. and individual molecule they constitute some system. And the principle of thermodynamics are three principles. They are first and second law. They deals with the interconversion of different forms of energy. For example, in fan what happening here, that electrical energy changed into mechanical energy. We are giving some current, that current is changed into mechanical energy. And third law, it deals with the calculation of entropy. Entropy means it is a measure of randomness, we will study later. And that entropy and attainability of that entropy at absolute zero, it deals with the third law of thermodynamics. And the thermodynamics, we have some practical values, but even though we have some practical values, it has some limitation. What are they means? It is the independent of atomic and molecular structure, and these laws they do not depend on the reaction mechanism also. And also these laws used to predict whether the particular reaction is occurred or not, and they cannot give the rate of the reaction. Rate of the means speed of the reaction take place, how speed the reaction is take place, they cannot give that rate of the reaction. And also thermodynamics deals with the equilibrium conditions. What is equilibrium means? Speed of the reaction forward and backward is same, means it is called as equilibrium reaction. And also the thermodynamics does not take into account for the kinetic approach. Kinetic approach means, kinetic means moving in that equilibrium. That is, we already told that what is that rate, the speed is called as kinetic approach. System. What is system means? It is a part of the universe. What is universe? Universe means all these things around us, and then me and you, all those things consist is called as universe. And then a system is a part of the universe. For example, I am a system means the rest of the things are called as surroundings, and the surroundings and me are separated by the some boundaries. That boundary may be a real or imaginary boundaries. So for example, for system, in your book given us water in a beaker, a balloon filled with air, and aqueous solution of glucose. So these are we are considering system means that containing that container called as boundary. The next one, classification of system. Based on the physical and chemical properties, there are two types of system. One is homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. Homo means same. So same physical property exists means they are called as homogeneous system. For example, mixture of gases. So we have so many gases, but the gases having the same physical property, so that they are homogeneous system. And also completely miscible mixture of liquid. Containing liquid, both they are having more liquid, the liquid having the same physical property, so that they are homogeneous system. And next one, heterogeneous system. Hetero means the different physical state they are having, means they are called as heterogeneous. For example, mixture of oil and water, both are liquid, but they are having different physical property, so that it is called as heterogeneous system. Types of system. Now based on the boundary, we are going to classify the system as open system, closed system, isolated system. First, isolated system means the system is covered with the insulated material, so that the energy and then mass never exchange with the surroundings. For example, hot water in the thermos flask. In that thermos flask, the heat energy never goes out, and also the water vapor also never goes out, so that the energy as well as the mass never exchange with the surroundings in isolated system. And closed system means the closed system, it exchange the energy alone but not the matter. For example, when the water is closed with some container, that water gives the heat to surrounding, but the water level never decreases. It indicates that the mass of the water never losses, the energy alone losses, so it is a closed system. In open system means the same way, the water containing container. In that one, the water gives it heat as well as the level of the water will decrease after some time. Why the level of the water decrease means it gives the water vapor out, so that in open system, it exchange both matter and energy with the surrounding. That system is called as open system. Properties of system. Extensive property. The property depends on mass and size of the system, means they are called as extensive property. For example, volume. Volume small amount means we calculate as ml. Volume more amount means we calculate as liter. So volume depends on the size and then mass of the um, system, so that it is a extensive property. The same way, number of moles. Now mass of the substance more means number of moles also more, and mass of the substance very small amount means number of moles also less. So number of moles also it is a extensive property. It based on the mass and size. The same way, mass small amount means we calculate in gram, and large amount means kilogram. So the mass also extensive property. And internal energy small amount of substance we calculate as a joule, and large amount, that mass and then size of the system is very large, means we calculate in a kilojoule. So that internal energy also extensive property. And the intensive property, it is a opposite side of extensive property, that is it is independent of mass and size. For example, here we consider only for water, and refractive index for water is 1.33, even though the refractive index of small amount of water 1.33, and large amount of water also refractive index is 1.33. So the refractive index is a intensive property. It does not depend on the mass and size. The same way in surface tension for water, even it is small size or large size, the surface tension of water is 72 dynes per centimeter. And density of water is 1 gram per ml. It does not depends on the size of the water. And then boiling point and freezing point. Boiling point of water for small amount of water 100 degrees Celsius, and less amount of water it is 100 degrees Celsius. So it does not depends on the mass and size of the system. So that boiling point, freezing point, molar volume, all those things are intensive property. Now the intensive and extensive property, some more examples are given in tableau column. In that one, molar value means the volume of 1 mole always we consider as 22.4 liter. It never change with the it does not depend on the size and mass of the element. So that molar volume is a intensive property. And last one, heat capacity in extensive property. Heat capacity, we calculate heat evolved or absorbed for more than 1 gram, means it is a extensive property. And specific heat of capacity means it is specifically we calculated for 1 gram of substance, whether the heat is evolved or absorbed by that, means that is specific heat of capacity. We are calculating for 1 gram only, so it is a intensive property. So note it down. This heat of capacity means extensive property, but specific heat of capacity means it is a intensive property. Surroundings means it is a part of the universe, and then apart from the system, which one is surrounded by the system is called as surrounding. And boundary, that boundary separates the system and the surrounding by some line, that called as boundary. Thermo means what? Heat. With the help of heat, we are going to change the system. So this is that operation. That operation means process. Some process bring the changes in the system is called as thermodynamic process. Now see the diagram. In the first diagram, when the heat is given to the water system, the water system changed into water vapor system. And the next diagram, on cooling, when you cool the water vapor slowly changes into liquid system. Again you on cooling the liquid system slowly changes into solid system. Here that temperature giving or temperature is taken out, both the one is thermodynamic process. And the third diagram, in the glass we are having blue color rubber like substance. When you give the heat to the rubber like system, that rubber is going to expansion, so that is called as thermal expansion. Here also the system is undergo changes with the help of heat, so that is a thermodynamic process. And the next one, balloon. When compression is compress the balloon, that changes the size of the balloon will be changed. So with the help of that compression also having some heat, so because of heat the change of the system will occur. And the next one, during fusion. Fusion means joining together a small amount of atom, we get the bigger molecule. So it is also changed in system. So it is also one of the thermodynamic process. So there are so many thermodynamic process. They are heating, cooling, expansion, compression, fusion and vaporization, etc. We are going to see the types of process one by one. Reversible process. In the reversible process, system and surrounding can be restored. Restored means again it goes to initial state. After attaining the final state, it goes to again initial state, means without producing any changes in the thermodynamic properties. That also we have to consider, that is called as reversible process. Now see the diagram. In that diagram, first ice cube goes to liquid state and liquid state goes to vapor state. Again on condensing, the water vapor slowly changed into liquid, and on again condensing, the liquid changed into ice cube. Here the thermodynamic properties never changes, and so the reversible process occur means we have to consider two important condition. What are they? Means the process should be occur in a slowly manner, and second one, the system and the surrounding must be in equilibrium. Equilibrium means the forward rate of the reaction, forward speed of the reaction and backward speed of the reaction should be same. That is called as equilibrium. Next one, irreversible process. Irreversible process means once it is changed means the final state never goes to initial state. For example, if you have the egg, that egg changed into half oil means the half oil never changed as a egg. That is called as irreversible process. The same way, the hot from cold will occur, but cold to hot never occur. So that is also irreversible process. In this one, the system and the surroundings are not in equilibrium. So are not in equilibrium means they are considered as irreversible process. Adiabatic process. It is a process in which the exchange of heat between the system and the surrounding never occur. So it is occurred by with the help of insulating the system, thermally insulating system only. The heat never exchange with the system and the surrounding, and also the surrounding to system also never occur. That is called as adiabatic process. Here the adiabatic this process, work done is done by the system. When the system is worked means the temperature is decreases. For that I give one example. On running, while running, what happening there? Slowly our body cool. Why the body is cool means we are working. Our body is a system. Consider the body, our body as a system means slowly it cool because we are doing some work. What work we are doing? Running. So running on running we are working means the temperature automatically goes down. Here also, when the work is done by the system means the temperature is decreases in adiabatic process. The same way, when work is done on the system means the temperature increases. For example, when while rubbing the hand, one of the hand you consider as a system means the work is on the system, so that the temperature is increases. We slowly we will experience some heat on the hand. So these two examples are not considered for the adiabatic process, because adiabatic process we obtain in the thermally insulating system only. Just for your reference only I give this diagram. And also we have to know about that what is heat, what is temperature means. What is heat means it is a form of energy, but temperature means it is a degree of hotness or coldness. It is a measure of heat and cold. And then heat is there we measured in joule, but temperature we measured in Kelvin. And also for heat there is no instrument to determine the amount, but temperature it is determined with help of thermometer. And heat is a derived quantity, but temperature is a fundamental quantity. Now in adiabatic process what it is happening means there is no exchange of heat. So heat the symbol is q equal to 0. Isothermal process. What is iso means same temperature. The system consists of the same temperature means it is called as isothermal process. For example, so one system containing 40 degrees Celsius means if we give the heat to the system, then never they gain the system the temperature, it again gives the extra temperature to surroundings only. It exchange the heat to the surroundings. Why it is give the heat to surroundings means it has to maintain the temperature constant, so that it do like that. The next one in isothermal process, for example, A is a initial state, B is a final state. In initial state also the temperature is 400 Kelvin, and final state also temperature is 400 Kelvin. That is in isothermal process the temperature is never change. So the difference between final to initial means dt, 400 minus 400 means we get as a 0. So dt value is 0 for isothermal process. In isobaric process, iso means same, bar means pressure. So in this isobaric process the pressure of the system remains constant. For that only I give some example. A initial state, initial state having 2 atmosphere, and B final state. Here also 2 atmosphere means that difference between final pressure to initial pressure 2 minus 2 we get 0 value. So dp equal to 0 here. Then isochoric process, iso means same, core means volume. The volume of the system remains constant means that is called as isochoric process. Here we consider the initial A value is 10 liter and final A B value also 10 liter. That is the volume is remains constant means the difference between the final volume and initial volume dV is equal to 0. Cyclic process in this system, for example A, we started with the A changes into B changes into C changes into D, and D changes into A. So it regains the original system after completing some series of changes. Here A system having the internal energy, some internal energy means after completing the series also it has the same internal energy. So difference between initial and final we get the du equal to 0. And H means enthalpy, the enthalpy value also initial to final is same, so the dH value 0. The same for pressure, volume and temperature, so that we are getting dp equal to 0, dv equal to 0, dt equal to 0. And then we so far we learn some thermodynamic process. For that we are what are the condition is given in this tableau column. For adiabatic process, what is the condition means q equal to 0. What is that means the heat must be remains constant, that is adiabatic process. And isothermal means the temperature remains constant in that system means that is called as isothermal process, and dt equal to 0. Isobaric means pressure constant, so dp equal to 0. Isochoric means volume constant, so dv equal to 0. Cyclic process means all these things are constant, that is de means energy, dH means enthalpy, and dP means pressure, and dV means volume, and dt means temperature. All these things are having the after completing the series they are regained the original state, so that these value becomes 0. The system is defined by some variables, for example, pressure, volume, temperature, number of moles. And these variables having some specific value, that specific value give the state of the system. For example, if the water having 0 degree Celsius means what state it possesses, solid state. The temperature for a liquid is 100 degrees Celsius means we can say that the state of the water is water vapor, that is it is in a gaseous form. So with the help of the temperature we can say that what state it has. The same way in pressure also, the pressure for water 0.006 atmosphere means it is in the solid state, that is ice state. And the pressure of the water 1 atmosphere means the water in the form of vapor, that is it is in a gaseous state. So with the help of these variables we can say the state of that system. With the help of specific value of this variable we can say the state of the system, and this variable does not depend on the path. Now we see the path function. Here there is two function only, path function. What are they means work and then heat. Now see the example. First A system changed into B system. So it have some work and then change it into B. The same way B it do some work and then change it into C, and C it do some work and change it into D. So A after the series of changes changed into D. So this is one of the path. Then another path we directly change the A to D, that is another path. By so work is a we can change the A to D in one path and A to D another path. The single, that is series of changes also we can change it, and then with the single step also we can change the A to D. So here also work in the first one series of changes work is more work we are doing, but in the single step we are doing the work is less. The same way in series of step we are giving more heat so that it changes into D, and then in the single step we are giving less heat. So the work and the heat they are depends on the path, and the work will have the difference value if the process is carried out reversibly or irreversibly. Internal energy. What is internal energy means it is energy of the system. It is equal to the energy of all the atoms, ions and the molecule, and also it is a total energy of the sum of the translational energy, vibrational energy, UV, rotational energy UR, bond energy UB, electronic energy UE, and energy due to intermolecular interaction, that is UI. So the total amount of these energies are called as internal energy. In thermodynamics we consider only the change in internal energy rather than the absolute value of energy. Graphite, it is one of the allotrophic form of carbon. Diamond, it is also another allotrophic form of carbon. Both are carbon but the different having different internal energy. Diamond having more internal energy because the bond is strong bond, and graphite having less internal energy because it has the weaker bond. So the internal energy differentiate the physical structure. Characteristics of internal energy. First of all, internal energy is the extensive property because it depends on the mass and size. Then second one, it is a state function. It depends only on the state variables, temperature, pressure, volume and number of moles. And then third one, the change in internal energy is expressed by final internal energy minus initial internal energy. For the cyclic process, final and the initial value have the same internal energy, so delta U value is 0. And fifth one, the final state of the internal energy is less than the internal state of the system means that the delta U value is negative. The next one, sixth one, if the final state of the value of internal energy is greater than the internal state of the initial state means the delta U value is positive. Now heat. Now see the diagram. In the rectangular box, consider as a system. Surrounding the blue color is called as surroundings. Then first of all, the heat given to the system means we give the heat on the boundary of the system only. So heat is a energy. It transmit across the boundary, separating a system from its surrounding. And the heat changes means the temperature difference will occur in the between system and the surroundings. And now already we told that the heat is a path function, and here SI unit of heat is joule, and also the heat quantity generally measured in calorie. SI unit of heat is joule, and that another unit is calorie. What is calorie means? A calorie is defined as a quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius in the vicinity of 15 degrees Celsius. Vicinity means area, nearer area is called as vicinity. So what is calorie means? We need some heat to rise the temperature of water to 1 gram of water to 1 degree Celsius. And the next one, Q. The symbol for heat is small q. Then heat flows into the system means it is surrounding to system. So we are adding the energy, so that the sign is plus q. And flow out of the system means the heat from the system to surroundings, it gives the energy to surroundings, so loss of heat is occur. So the symbol for that is minus q. Work. What is work means? It is a multiplication of force and displacement. And minus sign here we are introducing because the work is done by the system. Work done by the system means it gives some energy, it spends some energy, so that the energy is lost. So the loss of energy we indicated by minus sign. And then some more points for work is a path function, and the work appear only on the boundary of the system, and the work changes the system but not in the surroundings. Why means surroundings is a so large quantity when compared to the system. So there is a macroscopic changes to surroundings does not happen during the work, but in the system the changes will be happen. And units for work is joule. The 1 joule is defined as when 1 Newton force is given to the system moved to 1 meter means that work is we given as a 1 joule work we obtaining or given to the system. And then 1 kilojoule means 1000 joule. Now sign convention. When the work is done by the system means when the system doing the work, it gives some energy and then do the work, so the energy will goes to loss. So the sign for work is minus w. And work is done on the system means the energy is added on the system, so energy of the system increases. The sign of the work is plus w. Now we are going to see the pressure volume work. In the first diagram, it contains some n moles of ideal gas, and then the gas fitted with the frictionless piston. It has the cross-sectional area capital A, and the total volume of gas inside is Vi. That is initial volume of gas is Vi, and pressure of the initial gas is P internal pressure. It has some internal pressure. Now in the next diagram, the piston is go inward by giving the some pressure, that is external pressure. That pressure, external pressure is greater than the internal pressure, so that the piston moves inward to the small distance dx. Now it has the attained the final volume. The volume of gas is Vf. Now we are going to measure the work done on the system, because we are give the pressure more pressure we are giving means the gas, we are giving the pressure to gas, the work done by on the system, not by the system, the work is done on the system. So the sign convention is plus W, and W is equal to minus F into del X. F is the force and del X is the small distance it moves. Work on the system is calculated by the formula W is equal to minus F into del X. Here the del X is the small distance travelled by the piston. Now the force we can calculate it from the formula. What is the pressure formula is pressure equal to force per area. Now we get the force by cross multiplying the area into pressure. Now what is F means? F is equal to P external into A. Now substitute this equation 7.3 into 7.2, we get the work formula is equal to work into equal to minus P external into A into del X. Now the change in value we are going to find out. Now see the diagram. In the first diagram VI, VI means initial value. The next diagram after the compression of piston, the volume of the gas is decreases, that is final volume Vf, it is indicated rose color. The difference between Vf minus Vi, we get the change in volume. Then another way we get the change in volume by multiplying the cross sectional area of piston into smaller distance traveled by that piston, that is A into del X. Afterward the work formula is what we are getting, minus P external A into del X, you replace the A into del X by Vf minus Vi. What is Vf minus Vi? The change in volume. The change in volume we are getting as minus value here because the final volume is smaller and initial volume is larger. So that we are getting here minus del V. And then that minus into minus we get the plus value here. Why we are getting work as a plus value means work here done on the system, so that it is a positive quantity. Afterward now we are going to give small amount of pressure only in the first time. Afterward and each stage we are giving small amount of pressure. At each stage in compression the volume of the gases decreases slowly, so that we can calculate the work done on the system by putting integral Vi to Vf. Now W reversible is equal to minus integral of Vi to applying the limit Vi to Vf P external dV. During the compression, the external pressure is greater than the internal pressure. So we get the external pressure by adding the internal pressure with what small amount of pressure we give to the system. So P external is equal to P internal plus Dp. And during expansion process, the internal pressure is greater than the external pressure. So we get the external pressure value by subtracting the small amount of pressure what we are extracting from the internal pressure. That is P external is equal to P internal minus Dp. Now the reversible process. What is reversible process? Means one side compression means the reversible process is expansion. The forward compression means and backward process is the expansion. So we can write the reversible process by writing P external is equal to P internal plus or minus Dp. Plus for compression, minus for expansion. Now the compression process related to internal pressure means the work formula is become as minus Vi integral Vi to Vf P internal pressure dV. Suppose the process is compression means the work related to external pressure can be written as W reversible is equal to minus integral Vi to Vf P external dV. It is indicated in rose color. So blue color for P internal pressure and rose color for P external pressure. Now see the diagram in that graph. the Vi means initial volume, it is greater. When the pressure is increases, the Vi value slowly decreases to Vf. Now the standard area, you noted that it is a work done on the gaseous system. Suppose the system containing ideal gases means the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. Now here the pressure is internal pressure. So P into V equal to nRT. Now pressure internal is equal to nRT divided by V. Now applying the pressure internal in the work formula, what we get in the work formula in the previous slide, work reversible is equal to minus integral of Vi to Vf nRT by V dV. Then nRT we taken out means we get the integral dV by V. For integral dV by V means we get natural log of Vf by Vi. Now that replacing the natural log, that Ln means natural log, that natural log converted into log base 10 by multiplying the constant value 2.303, we get the natural log converted into logarithm base 10. Now W reversible is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log Vf by Vi. Now that volume of gas, final volume of gas is greater than the initial volume of gas means the gas undergo expansion. Here the work is done by the system. So work is done by the system means the energy is going to be lost, so the negative value, we get the negative value. And then Vf is final volume of gas is less than the initial volume of gas means the gas undergo compression. So work is done on the system, that extra energy is added to the system, so that we get the positive value of work.